This is my 1,000 horsepower STI. Or what's left of it. My name is Trenton. I'm the owner of Teeter Automotive, and this is my STI, or what's left of it. I've had this car almost about 10 years now, and it has a huge sentimental factor to me. I learned how to do my first oil change on it, learned how to build my first engine on it, learned how to drive stick on this. I got laid because of this car for the first time. So this actually was not the result of an engine failure. We're actually not 100% sure what happened, but obviously, the intake manifold legitimately exploded. That's what happens when you watch too much Fast and Furious in real life and you add up, a 400 shot of nitrous on a Subaru. Blow the welds on the intake. Car was set up with a 6266 setup, 40 pounds of boost, and we put a 400 shot on it. We never got it on the dyno. That was the plan, but unfortunately, this happened. That's the result in real life. Since this has such a huge sentimental factor to myself, we're gonna fix this thing.